Alright, guys, those pigs may have won this time, but the pigs will not win. So, you two are my last defense. And I want you two to defeat those pigs. And if those pigs win, then we're toast. So, yeah, there's only three of the pigs left and three of us. So, my other birds may have been down before, but they won't be avenged. Anyway, Whitebird, go over there and kill them. Yes, sir. I hope he doesn't fail this one. Yeah, I know. That's why he won't fail again. All right, Big Bird, let's sit down and relax. And Big Bird, I have a question for you. And what that might that be? Anyway, are you my twin brother? What? Why would I be your twin brother? Because you and I definitely look like red birds to me. Oh, yeah, I'm your twin. Okay, so, Red, let me tell you the truth why I'm your twin. So, long time ago, when three of us were captured by King Pig, so I was a twin, I became the biggest bird in the world instead of Trance. I mean, instead of the other big bird from Angry Birds Go. So, anyway, sorry about that. No spoiler. So, anyway, yeah, so that's why I became Big Bird. Nice. You became Big Bird, and I'm absolutely a twin. Cool. All right, White Bird, you better not mess this up. I won't mess it up, Red, but thank you. You're welcome. We got you. You're not going anywhere. Time for your torments. Uh-oh, I'm in big trouble. Minion Pig, shoot your gun at him. All right, I will. Ha! Ah! Oof. No, Minion Pig! Ah! Yeah. I'm dead. Yes, I killed Whitebird. Ha ha ha, yes. Beat that. Hold it right there, Minion Pig. Drop your gun. No way. I'm gonna shoot you until you die. Take this. Ha! Alright, we got him. Now we need is that stupid king. Yes, we are finally gonna take down that king. Heck yeah, we will. What was that? I don't know, but someone sneaked up behind me. No! Yes! I finally got you now. I finally got you now, Red. Surrender. Heck no, I'm not. Fine. You're deaf, your life. Nice try, but I got your gun. Nice try. Goodbye. Ah! Boom. Hiya. Yes, in your face, King Pig. You're not gonna win for longer. Oh man, I have to get my birds and we have to run. Dag nabbit. Alright, birds, we gotta run before King Pig wakes up. Stay down. Yeah, you better stay down, and you better not get up too. Alright, pigs. Find out and kill those birds. I want those eggs here now. And if I don't have any eggs here, then you three are in so much trouble. Kill those birds now. Oh God, we gotta run. Let's go get those birds. And those birds think I would die, but I don't. Ha 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 ha. That's why I have spies, only technology, because I don't die personally. If Red would destroy it, I would lost my chance. Ha 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 ha.